This is liquid latex. It's a special effects medium that you can use to create different 3D skin effects. You can make someone look old, you can use it for wrinkles, scabs, scars, and you can even use it for adhesive to attach those things to the body. I like to use it with my crafting. It's a great way to mask off different areas to protect them from whatever I'm working on. I'll use this when I'm working with alcohol inks as well as resin. For this project, I masked off part of a seahorse and started working with alcohol inks. Once I have the liquid latex in place, I wait for it to completely dry. It'll have a yellowish tint once it's dry, and then I work with my alcohol inks. I've also used this when working with resin on the back of coasters, and it helps me to take the resin drips off the back once I'm done. Once you are done with whatever you want the liquid latex on for crafting, you just peel it right off and it comes off super easy. I love that this was created for special effects for makeup or skin, but you can also use it with your crafting project, and it works fantastic.